Hello friends, how are you?
We are
fine,
fine,
sir. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Teja, where are you working now? It is a long time since I saw you.
I am working in a government school.
That's good. Miss Vanilla, are you working in the same school?
Yes, sir.
Now, what type of problems do you face in teaching writing skills in the class?
We need some guidance, sir. We have decided to improve our students' writing skills in English.
That's true, sir. Our students is finding difficult to explain their ideas in writing in English. Hence, they memorize all the answers.
And even composition, we are forced them to write on the blackboard. So we want to stop this and help them to write in simple English. Can you suggest some techniques that would help them to express their ideas in simple English?
Well, my dear friends, your zeal towards your children is quite appreciable. Your commitment towards your pupils will help them to acquire effective writing skills. Now, in this class, let us discuss some of these techniques we can use in the classroom, because writing composition skills develops their mastery over the language and they can organize their thoughts. The first one among these points is using the immediate environment.
Sir, I have a doubt. How to use the immediate environment? Can you please elaborate?
Okay, you want me to elaborate on immediate environment. Now, look at this visual. Have you watched the visual?
Yes, sir.
Now we can ask the students to name the things. Now, Mr. Dinesh, can you name some of the things in this environment?
Yes, sir. Blackboards, desks, chairs, benches, duster, chalk.
That's right. Okay, enough. Please sit down. Now, Miss Vanilla, can you describe the chair in 2 or 3 sentences?
Yes, sir. That is a chair. It has 4 legs. My teacher sits on it.
Wonderful. That's good. In this way, we can ask the students to talk about the things present in the classroom, because this is the immediate environment for us. Mr. Budai, I think you have got a doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, can we use the pictures?
Yes, please be seated. We can use the pictures, not only pictures, we can use the charts, maps for this purpose, because pictures, charts, maps will evoke interest in the students. They are the effective tools of teaching writing skills. Okay?
Sir, we can show the pictures of a kitchen, a living room and a drawing room and ask the students to name and describe about the things present.
A great observation. That's nice. Please be seated. You can ask the students to talk about the rooms by using the words and expressions like next to, in the corner, beside, like that. In this way, we can ask the students to make simple sentences to describe the things.
Yes, sir. We have got the point.
Okay. There is another important point in improving the composition skills, that is picture writing. We can show a set of pictures to write a story, a beautiful story in a very simple language. For example, we can use a chart depicting the theme of a rainy day and so on. Now, another important technique is using the substitution tables. You know substitution tables, don't you? Now, look at this visual. Now, this is an ask and answer table. First of all, pointing to the visual, you can ask the students to make some simple questions. Then, pointing to the visual, you can ask the students to write the words or the pictures in the spaces provided. Okay? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another important technique is to use the children's drawings to develop their writing skills. We can call it the drawing to writing technique.
Drawing to writing? How is it different from the teacher's drawing on the blackboard?
Yes, a nice question. In this activity, first we ask the students to make their own drawings and then make some simple sentences out of the drawings. This is the drawing to writing technique. We may ask the students to draw the picture of a family, name each member and describe the member in 1 or 2 sentences. In this way, we can help the students to make simple sentences with ease.
Sir, the activity will be really interesting to our students. We will try this activity in our classrooms.
Okay, I am happy that you have got the point. Now, let me talk to you about another interesting activity. Now, look at
We can ask the students to describe a simple recipes like making tea, coffee, fruit salad, vegetable salad, etc.
yes, you can do it.
Sir, this technique is simple and interesting. Children love to write simple recipes.
Yeah, that's good. Now you can ask the students to write the recipe books, and this way we can help the students to improve their writing skills. Now, I hope you know all this is guided composition. We have to use the guided composition technique initially.
The other type is a free composition, isn't it, sir?
Yes, that's right. The other type of composition is free composition. Initially, we have to begin with the guided composition exercises. Then we can ask the students to describe the events or things according to their level of understanding.
Yes, sir. We will try these techniques we have discussed today.
Okay, that's nice. Miss Vanilla, now let us sum up the topic. Can you name some of the techniques that we have discussed today?
Sure, sir. Using the immediate environment, real objects, pictures.
Good. Mr. Teja, could you please continue?
Story picture cards, photographs, maps, graphs, drawings, substitution tables, and writing simple recipes.
That's a good job. I am glad you could recollect all the points we have discussed in the class. But my dear friends, these are only some of the techniques. When we meet next time, we shall discuss some more of them. Friends, I hope you can use all these skills in your classrooms because it will benefit your students very much. Now, when you go back to your schools, you can use these techniques there and make your students very efficient in writing the compositions. And I wish you all the best in your career. Okay, friends, that's all for the day. Have a nice time. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.